Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Play Store not opening. So when I am clicking on Play Store, so here you can see it's not open, and when I am clicking again it, then here you can see I am facing this issue again and again. So how can we fix it? So let's start. So first of all, open your settings, click on network and internet and click on Wi-Fi, and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your device. So if not connected, then you need to connect it. So after this, if don't have Wi-Fi, then open your mobile data, and after doing this, go back, scroll down and click on system. Here is the option of system. Click here, click on reset options, click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Click here and click on reset settings. So after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So if not fixed, then open your settings again, and here is the option of apps and notifications. Click here, and here you can see Play Store. So you need to click here, Google Play Store, and click on storage and cache. Click here and click on clear cache. So after doing this, so if the settings of your Android phone is different from mine, then I'll tell you the shortcut of this process. So the shortcut is click and hold on Play Store, and here is the option of app info. Click here, and here you can see the option of storage and cache. So click here and click on clear cache and clear storage also. So you need to click it here. Okay, and after doing this, go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So click on Play Store. So wait for seconds. So here you can see now my Play Store is open. So after doing these methods, you will be able to open your Play Store as well. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.